Hello guys. Hello guys.
So
Hello
hold on, hold on.
guys. So hello everyone, welcome back to another stream. So hello everyone, welcome. So I'm saying welcome. Nothing bro. It's just I need to change some settings. Okay, it's fine. Uh, Karthi, welcome to the stream. I'm saying welcome to the stream. Cease, right? Welcome to the stream, bro. Everyone, guys, thanks for joining. So today we'll try to create this little road inside Unreal Engine. Okay, and we are not going to create exactly like this. This is just to show you guys what we are creating. Okay, I'm not going to copy this entire scene, so we'll just make just a low poly environment. Okay, so once again everyone, thanks for joining the stream. So we will start with this road first. Okay, then we will use this SpeedTree to create the trees, and we will export everything to Unreal Engine. So I'm gonna start with this road. Okay, we'll create a plane first. Remove all these segments. Apply this material. Okay. Okay, fine. Then convert to editable poly. Okay. We should increase the width a little bit for the row. And okay, don't need to create thickness for the road. We'll use this single plane. I think that will be fine. Think so. And Jackson, how you use the bundle ready? Yes, right. We have tried a couple of times. Okay. Now I'm gonna create this barrier on this side for the say spline. Here to here maybe. Okay, I think we should place it in here and enable this in viewport. Change it to rectangular. I think road is too small, right? Maybe we need to scale this up. Okay, yeah, now we'll increase the length and width. I think we don't need width, and convert to editable poly. I'm gonna delete all these faces from the back side. Actually, hold on. Okay, you don't need to delete everything. Just keep it like this. Maybe you should increase the height and two more segments. Bring it and we'll connect the two segments. And one in the center. And move these edges to make something like this. Okay. Now reduce the size a little bit from. I think this is fine, right? The height should be okay. This should be enough. I'm gonna save a copy. And we'll go to the left view and create a support for this barrier like we saw in the picture. Okay, for that we will use another spline. Draw on here. No, I can just create a box. We see, sorry. There is a height, right? Convert to editable poly, then we will increase the height manually. It's okay. Okay, now we will duplicate this one, two, and one in the center. One in here. Okay. Now we need to attach all these together. I'm gonna increase the height a little bit. Then we will attach all these. And one more thing we need to do. Maybe we can just hold on. We need to hold on Control and Shift to duplicate this. And Karthi Shyamkrishna, thanks for the 20 rupees super chat. Bro, what shell is okay? We'll do that. Hey, I think you don't need to do this. I mean, duplicate this. Just okay, we don't need this. Select it and like we need to create a shell for this thing. Okay, we need so I'm gonna detach this again and we will add this shell modifier. Just a little bit and collapse everything. Okay. Maybe you should change the shape a little bit here. I don't know. I'll try. Okay. I'm gonna try to bend this edge like this. Okay, maybe you should add one more segment in here. Okay, and I'm gonna add this symmetry modifier for the opposite side. Okay, and collapse everything. Now maybe you should change the shape a little bit in here. I'm gonna add one segment and wait. I need to add a couple of Okay, think this is too much. Maybe you should just and chamfer this also. And move this little bit to the front. Okay, and we will add the clear the smoothing groups and add a new one. And actually we need to bend this mesh inside Unreal Engine. So hold on. Okay, I'm gonna save a copy. Then okay, I'm gonna add this bend modifier and bend it. It will be like this. Okay, we need to add few more segments so we can bend a little bit more easier. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, we'll delete it here. I don't need to bend inside of the distance. We can do that in Unreal Engine. For this one, I think will be fine. We don't need to add segments. I think it's rotating it. Anyway, I will add one more segment. Ring it. Okay, it's fine. Now we will attach all this again. Okay. So this is our basic road. Thing. We don't need to change the shapes of these edge. I think I don't know. I'll select a thing. Maybe should increase the size a little bit. Okay. In height is fine, right? Maybe yes. Okay, I think it's enough. Now we can. Is this AK-47? Nice. Offender potato open the stream. So guys, uh, we will start UV unwrapping. I think we don't need to change the shape of this road. Wait, maybe we should add two segments and move this little bit. No, no. Okay, we need to bend this road also. So I'm gonna add a few segments. And we will. Okay, it's fine, right? And if I bend this one again, okay, should be fine. Okay, delete. Now we can start unwrapping the UV. Add this modifier. Then Control A. It's a plane. Okay, so we'll just relax this one. It'll be fine. So just welcome to the stream. And for this, we can just use this flatten mapping thing. Wait, we will unwrap this one first. Wrapping pattern mapping. This I'm gonna select this edge first, then convert the selection to faces. Hold on. Okay. You will try this side first. I'm gonna use this quick planar map. It see to okay, I can fix that later. And the back side. Quick planar map. And I think we need to select this back side manually. Then relax it. Actually, we need to build this mesh. we can just build it in here. I think. Hold on. I'm gonna turn this on. Then we can't build it. There is something wrong in here. Okay, anyway. Let's do some. Then collapse everything. And select this mesh. And convert the selection to vertex. Before that, we need to check. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna build all these vertex a little bit. Think it will fix the problem. Just 0.1, okay. Now it should be fine. I think so. Okay. Now unwrap one more time. Pick planar map again and relax it. See, it's fine. We can, okay, fine. Okay, I'm gonna grow this selection, then unwrap one more time to select all these edges. What the? Okay. Okay, think everything's fine. Now select everything and pack it. Hold on. Do this. We need to pack all this separately. Okay, I'm gonna select this one and pack. Then we will add a different material for this pillar kind of thing. Okay, this one. Okay, now we can export all these to Unreal Engine, then start creating the trees. Maybe you should wait. I'm gonna duplicate this one. Tree modifier to extend this length. Unknown Gaming, thanks for the 20 rupees super chat. Welcome to the stream. Okay, thanks, bro. Okay, we will export these two shapes. Okay, just in case we need a large one. I mean this. Now we'll change all these pivots. Okay, for the or we can place it here. You know what? Actually, we need to duplicate this road also and collapse everything. And we need to change the material for this plate to a different one. So we can attach this one, then we will export these two as a single mesh. Okay, so that we can bend these together in Unreal Engine like this. Hold on. Actually, we need to change the pivot to center. So this bend work a little more in a better way, like this. Okay, so, okay, same for this one. I'm gonna place this barrier here. Okay, to the left view. Then attach with, so it apply this material first, then attach with this rod and change the pivot to center. I think we need to increase the size a little bit. So I'm gonna select all this, then size of the rod. Okay, I think okay. Anyway, I'm gonna export this one first. Export selected, desktop, and this will be rod 1. Other one, rod 2. And save everything one more time. I'm gonna find this SpeedTree. Game World, thanks for this 20 rupees super chat. Welcome to the stream. Okay, so we'll be using a basic tree, more like a low poly one. Okay, to find on it, to be conifer. Okay, we'll try this one. Hold on, maybe you should just open and change to a different one. Something like, let me check. Okay, I'm just checking finding a perfect tree. Okay, Colorado. Maybe we can use this low poly. Nah. It's enough. We can just increase the length. Check. Hold on. Spine. Wait. We need to decide manually. Okay, maybe we should do it in here. Okay. And you're right. Maybe you should change the size. Hold on. Abdo, welcome to stream. Thanks for joining, bro. Actually, I'm looking for an option. No symbol cards. Lighting. Nice, hold on. Maybe we need to find another tree. Think can use this one. I'm gonna increase length first. Okay, so and we'll close this. Okay. See, you can see the total count in here. We need to reduce this leaf count to 2. No, 3, maybe 4. And a couple of settings for the trunk, like branch. Can reduce the okay, we don't need this radius. Okay, that is radial. This is actually hyperbole now. We need to reduce the count. See, you can see it in here. This branch count. See, not the count actually. Total tries. Change it to. See, the total count is 7 lakhs now. Okay. Now we can change it to 2 maybe. No. Okay, where is he? Floor, where is he from? How we can install this software? You can find it on Google, bro. SpeedTree. Okay. Now we will reduce these small branches. I mean this small. Okay. can see on. Okay, it's actually 18,000. These needles are so large, right? If I don't think we can reduce the count. Maybe we can go for simple leaf. Okay. Okay, two-sided. Okay. Okay, here I'm gonna change this brightness and increase the saturation. See, you can see the quality, like, I don't know. Sorry. Okay, and I'm gonna change this material color a little bit. Bro, I have a great idea for a game, bro. Total count is 3 lakh. Okay, leaf mesh. We need to reduce it to 2 maybe. And the card. Okay, I'm gonna change it to 3. Maybe we can change the material here. Okay, open it. You know what? We will delete this. Okay, we will delete all this. Then we'll add a complete new branches like branch 2, like this. Okay, and here we can change the size, maybe the shape. We will try. Okay, I'm gonna change the material here to this one. Change the okay, radius parent. We can add a direct leaf from this. Okay, leaf mesh. This is size in here and generate the amount like this. Okay, and we need to apply add a material for these cards. Okay, maybe okay, I'm gonna try this texture. We don't have any opacity, right? Specular, normal, branches. We need a opacity, man. Can we use this one? No. Maybe we should create a complete new texture. Can't find any opacity, guys. Hold on. You know what? We'll go back to our stage, and here we will increase the size. but it's still 3 lakh. Okay, we need to can make low pool inside Unreal Engine. And I'm gonna change this frequency to 4. Okay, maybe 3. And I'm gonna save this one. And disable this force. See, the force. Disable this one, and we can change the shape. Not this. Maybe displacement. Not triangle. It's not triangle. No. Okay, it was jink, right? See, jink frequency, disturbance. Okay, you don't need disturbance. We can I'm gonna change the value to 0, or we can just turn this off. We just need this basic, sorry, just a straight 3. Okay, frequency I'm gonna reduce back to 2. See, now it's almost on lakh. We can create small LODs. I mean level of detail inside our region. Now we will export this to export to game. Create a new folder here. Or it's tree 1. Okay, and change to region. And you can select a region 4 here. We don't have this on region 5. Anyway, it will work. And to default, I think. Okay, 2K, then export. Region 3, say free software. Okay, now we'll close this max. Then open the engine. Okay, and I'm gonna open this old project. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And change the default viewport. Here we will create a new level. A couple of folders. Folder code upload. Then a couple of subfolders, maps, and textures. Okay, then save this current level. So then we will import all of our meshes, including the tree. Just leave everything to default, okay? Just import it. Now I will create another folder in here for the tree. Import it. Okay, in foliage and go to collision and create materials, vertex processing and subsurface. Check everything and import it. Then save all. It will take few seconds. Then we will create the road. Okay. Okay, this landscapes point. Create this tree first. For a snow material. No, I think we need to create one inside Unreal Engine. I'm gonna save this and close it. So this is our tree. Here. Okay. It again. Need to create notice. Wait. It will be there is level. Okay, here. Now it's in level of detail 0. So I'm gonna go to this LOD settings and change the number of LODs to 3 and LOD import LOD 0 group. Then I don't think 8. Okay, wait, I need to save everything one more time. Just in case. Wait, it will take few seconds. I hope it won't crash. Okay, and see, we have this LOD 2 in here. LOD 1, LOD 0. Okay, save again. Sorry, save again. Say current level, save all. Now we will create a landscape to this landscape tool. Okay, this is a basic one. Create and save again. Okay, now we need to create the road, right? For that, I'm gonna go to this landscape again. Then to somewhere here. Paint. Nope. Manage. Yes, we have this spline tool in here. And I'm gonna click. Sorry, hold on control, then click it here. See. And one in here. And on here. Okay, just like that. And you can select all these points by clicking on them. Then we will select all these. Okay, all splines. All points. What reset? Oh, hold on, I think. I can't select the what current level. Fuck. Hold on. I can't. What the shit? Maybe. Landscape control panel. Guys, I can't click. I don't know why we can't. Wait. All these options are faded. I can't click it. Landscape, right. Try changing your active filters above. Okay. What filters? Nice, hold on. I need to delete. Okay, I'm gonna draw one more time. Does anyone know how to do this? This landscape line not working, I think. Usually they usually you can see all the settings here and we finish drawing. I don't know, it's not showing. Epic Game Launch. I don't know. Guys, anyone know how to solve this thing? Landscape lines. It's thing we need to. Okay, maybe we need to create a material or something. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna delete this landscape anyway. And we'll create a new one. Landscape. Then we will create Guys, I don't know what's happening. Maybe I'm gonna create a new level, okay? Don't save this one. And we'll create a road in here. Okay, I think something wrong. Okay, so where guys, does anyone know how to solve this? Because I can't see any option for this landscape. Actually, we can see this, but I don't think we can't access this one. Okay, anyway, we'll create without landscape. Okay, we'll go back to our old level. Press on one, then create a landscape anyway. Then drop this mesh. Yes, hold on. I need to check online. Okay, this landscape is playing. Hold on, maybe we can delete this one here. I'll try this one more time. Still not working. Next, I think it's a common problem. No, it's not a common problem. Maybe levels. Sorry. Yes, I don't know, it's not working. Okay, see, now it's working. There is something wrong in here, I don't know. The fuck. I think okay, it's working, bro. To I'm gonna delete this landscape. Okay, then create a new one. Something wrong with this detail panel. I don't know. We will create the road one more time. Control click. Hold on. Control to click. Okay. See, actually, it should be here. I mean, all the settings. But anyway, I need to go to this detail panel and select this segment. Okay, and click this all segments. Here we can add meshes, texture. Okay, in this plane meshes panel, click this add element. I'm gonna select this mesh or this one, and it will be like this. So we need to change the direction to Y maybe. Okay, hold on. I need to flip the direction. Okay, nice. Now I'm gonna change the up value to 1.2. Okay. Okay, this one, no, wait. What if I change the mesh to this one. Okay, wait. Okay, here we can increase the scale, right? We change it to 2. All this road will bend. Then I'm gonna move this landscape a little bit down. Okay, it will select this road, right? Let's Control C. Now it should be fine. Yeah, actually, it's not connecting in here. It's okay. Maybe you should add on more segments somewhere here. I think I can do that. Render this. Nothing happens. Nope. Actually, we need to increase the road length a little bit so it will match, right? I mean, connect in here. Hold on, we can. I'm gonna open this max again. And we will change the length of this road, okay? So it should is actually small. Yeah, change the size. Should be fine. Okay. Okay, anyway, we need to change your road shape a little bit. Okay, we need to remove all these segments and increase the length from on both sides. Okay, and check the UV one more time after adding these segments. Just select it, save it, and export it again. And we will re-import it. Hold on. I'm gonna duplicate this road so it will be like this in Unreal Engine, right? Okay. And we will just strength sides. Then check this UV one more time. Or just select this mesh and relax it and pack it. Export selected, road 1. Then re-import. It's just a small gap. Maybe you can go back to foliage, sorry, landscape. And there is a spine. Okay, so okay, here you can increase the length. Okay, not true actually. 1.4. Just increase the size, don't mind this. Next time we make sure the sizes are fine. Okay, so we're routing. Now we will create materials. Okay, so I'm using some here is outside the box. Somewhere outside the box. Okay, bro, it's fine. I think we'll change it to the parties outside the box. You can change this road shape. Okay, just select one point. You can just uh, move this up, down, like this. We will go for a straight road. I know the text is right for the road. So I'm gonna open this mixer. We'll create few custom materials. Keep asking me. We'll create the road material first. So now find this asphalt texture, maybe a new one from the library, fresh one. We find one with a straight line. Can use this, right? Okay, I'm gonna try this. Okay, with some snow. Fresh snow should be nice. Okay, from above and change the radius. Should wait. I'm gonna create a mask. TID and then paint a mask and clear this or invert thing happens. So we need to plus Just paint on both sides. Okay. Then add one more layer. Maybe this one, and this radius or threshold. Okay. Maybe we should try this one. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna export this one without all this. Okay, we don't need all this. I'm gonna export these three T road and change to this folder. And we will import it here. Make sure you flip this normal map clean channel. Now we need to create material. Say current level. Vote 1. Material for this road. Need. Now we will drop this base color, convert to parameter, then connect it to B, and the roughness, convert to parameter, and a multiply and a scalar parameter for the roughness. Then connect it to roughness, and we'll move it here. Then this normal map to can actually replicate these two to increase the strength of normal map. Okay, I'm gonna change the name to north. Default value 1. default roughness value is 1, and don't need to add the UV thing. Make sure you check this two-side option. Okay, and we will apply this sag. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. Save everything. Create a material instance from this base material. We can change all of our settings and the textures if you want. Now we will open our road mesh. Apply this material instance. It won't work in here. No, wait. Okay, it's okay. So you can see these seam edges. No, wait. Wait. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna cover that. Sorry, this edge with something. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna change this scalability to right. You know, we need to find a texture for the landscape. We need to create actually. I'm gonna save this. Oh, and we'll add a ground texture. Some I'm gonna add this forest ground. To this snow map. Michael can stream. Is the texture seamless? Yes, but I don't know. Maybe we need to trial this texture to 4. Okay, we'll see that later. Okay, here I'm gonna add this one. Maybe this one. Hold on. I'm gonna change the snow texture to a different one. Maybe this one. Okay, it's fine, right? Okay, I'm gonna increase this threshold. Then export take down. Okay, fine. Abdul Rahman, welcome to the stream, bro. Thanks for joining. In here, then save it. And look this channel. Duplicate this material. I'm not sure what is. It should be fine for the landscape. And replace all these textures. And assign to our landscape. Okay, here it is. Actually, this is in the right way to apply a material for the landscape. I don't know. The normal way it's not actually working for me. Maybe they changed something. Okay, here we can change the scaling. Sorry, that's normal map strength, right? I'm gonna open this base material. We need to create UV. Duplicate and duplicate this and change the name to scale. Save again. Change the scale to 4.1. Match, right? You can sculpt these edges with something. Okay, wait, I'm gonna scale this to. Okay, now it's fine. See? Okay. Save everything and save current level. Scale waiting on shade is okay. Okay, now we need to find a material for this barrier or authorities. Okay, I'm gonna think we should create a custom one, or we can just find all the materials like scratched metal. We can use this reference. Okay, fine. I'm gonna copy these two textures to your new folder. Okay, save all. And we will create this, duplicate this base material. Metal. Here we need to delete this reference map. Okay, and I'm gonna use this blue channel from this normal, base color to use maybe blue green channel. We can use that. I'm gonna find another reference map. Can use this one. And apply. Save it. You know what? You don't need this. Actually, you can just duplicate this rod material. And just find this texture. Change the roughness in here. Replace these two. Okay, we don't need this. Now we'll open the mesh, then apply this material. Here. It's actually blue in color. Okay, you can change that later. Now we need to create some snow texture. Snow material. Okay, I want to try this. I'm not sure. Here we can find right click and build position mask. Yes, alright, I need to check something. Need to check something, guys. Wait. Try this anyway. We should. Add this power and a scalar parameter. Tell I don't know this. Just a try, okay. I'll add this in a sorry alpha, and this will be I think, and another scalar parameter. We'll preview this one just to check. Okay, I think we need to connect this one in A and this will be in B. And connect this to our base color and stop previewing this. This is actually not the setup. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna pull this. Create a comment. I will just keep it in here to test later. Okay, we need to create on metal material. This one, right? And change the color to from black. Add a snow. Then export. I'm Arjun, bro. I'm from India. And we will import it here. Save it. Play our old mesh. This is in the right way. We can actually place this snow all around this. Sorry, top of this mesh. I actually forgot to do that. Sorry, forgot the way to do that. Maybe we can. We will check that later now. Place this three current level. Okay. This three. Sorry, from this foliage and drop this tree in here. Here we can change the settings. I'm gonna change to 1 and radius 1 and the scale 2. Okay, and we'll try to paint. It will take few seconds to prepare the shaders. Okay, change to I place it in here. So because of this LOD, this tree seems okay. I'm gonna change this material one more time. Okay, and open this texture. Sorry, material. Here we need to search for the text normal WS. Edit this one and we need to add a little. Connect this power to alpha. Change the value to 5. To okay. Take one alpha. Donate this and connect this one to A. I think I'll check the slurp to base color. Okay, I'm gonna apply this. Okay, here we need to reduce the value to 0 for default. Can open this and change this material back. And if I change this snow value, it's the top of this mesh. Now I'm gonna open this and copy .c and find this tree material. Okay, branch this and paste it in here and add a layer. Connect this to alpha. Okay, duplicate this for the normal. Think we can do that, right? Yes. Connect it to normal also. And of course we need to change few settings in here. Okay, open. This will be 5. Think we need to delete this LED. I think I'm gonna change this LED back to I need to delete this one. Okay, now we'll paint the tree one more time. I'm gonna change the size to 2 and 3, minimum and maximum. Okay, and if I place, then change the value. Hold on, I need to check something. Uh, Actually, there is a difference when we paint this foliage, right? I don't know. Maybe I need to. Mm, You know what? I'm gonna place by hand. Okay, I'm not gonna paint. Just duplicate these trees. No, we don't need this. I'm gonna close it. What's up with the word spamming the links? I don't know, bro. Bro, I have question. Yes, bro. Tell me, bro. Can welcome to stream. The welcome to stream. Okay, we will just place all these trees. Really, I don't think it's a good idea to paint. Maybe you should add a different tree to science. Like I said, we are not creating the exact scene, but like the reference image. Okay, think we need to add a different tree. Okay, select scale. And I'm gonna find this direction line, then rotate. So this our station link, bro. It's in the description. You can find it. It's a sunlight. Take this thing. Trees are same kind of look, so I think we need to add a different tree. And now open this tree. I mean SpeedTree. Then reopen this. Here we can direction raw no start triangle, then change this shape little bit. We'll export this one. Okay. Okay. Export to game. This will be tree 2. Especially കഴിയാറായടാ എന്തായി? Okay, we'll import the tree in here. I change to low for now, and maybe you should create a new folder. Anyway, I'm gonna drop it in here. Tree 2. Don't need to create materials. Okay, let's import it. Then save it, open it, and apply this material and this material also. Now we will place change to low for now. And duplicate. and increase the height like this. See what happens. Okay, if I change it to medium like this, maybe I should duplicate this thing. That is so large, right? Then here, mm, I think this is better than we paint with this stupid foliage, right? It's okay. Now we need to okay, find this fog and so up, delete it, and this post process volume. Change this to infinite extent and change this exposure to bright. Okay, if I change it to high, the medium is fine. Okay, now we'll add this fog back to this sphere reflection capture. And our fog. Medium settings, nice. Okay, there is our fog. I'm gonna change this density to 0.2 and the color a light blue. Enable this volumetry flow. increase this distance. In white is fine, right? It's the distance. If you add one more zero in here, it will go all the way back and reduce this height. Full height. And if I change it to height, it will be like this. No. Change the brightness. And we need to find this post process volume. So we can change a few more settings like little bit lens flare. And just look at this one. To change to high, right? See, I turn this off to go. Only work with high and above, okay? Settings, I mean saturation and contrast, okay? I'm gonna increase the saturation to 1.1. If I change it to 2, it will be like this. Nice, right? Okay, I'm gonna keep this. Change the contrast to 1.2 maybe. There is a sunlight. Things is too much. I'm gonna change this saturation to 1.8. I will find the ambient occlusion. We can see the small shadows coming here. Step, step. Then film global illumination. I don't need this image effect. And find the directional light. Maybe you should change the light color to some yellow. Right. Okay. And direct lighting a little bit and volumetric scattering. Okay, if I change to high, like this, I think medium is fine. Okay, okay, fine. We'll stay with this medium. change the direction light intensity to 3, maybe B4. Okay. I think that's it. Is that right? We can enable this light shaft bloom, increase. I think we need to change the engine scalability to high. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Save selected. Save all. Save current level. And enable cinematic report. Not actually, you need to add this snow all over this trunk, right? So I'm gonna open this material, copy, paste it in here, and add a lab A and this clamp to B, sorry, alpha, and connect it to base color. Same for this normal map. Just duplicate this lerp, connect to this clamp to alpha, then this one to A, to normal. Are you developing a new bro? Click TV considering it's actually just to show the live. It's for the live, okay? Here again, and we will change to green channel only for this. I mean, tree bark, okay? Now you thought about making on game, maybe PC and yes, bro, but I don't think it's possible. I can't do it alone. You know what? I'm not gonna connect this. We'll just avoid normal. Maybe you can create a material to this pixel mixer, then apply it to this. Okay. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, and one more thing. I'm gonna open this mesh. Okay, we still didn't apply any materials for this thing. It's fine. I'm gonna add a collision, and play. Save current level and play. See, the saturation is a little bit high. It's fine, I think. We need to reduce the saturation rate. Okay, post process volume and the saturation 1.3 maybe. Okay, should be enough. You can change this global look, I mean the color to color temperature. See, like this. Then maybe you should change the sunlight color to oh, that looks nice. Okay, and I'm going to reset this. Sorry. 8 you can and the sunlight color to a little bit reddish. Okay, so guys, I think that's it for our road right here, right? Can't run on my PC. Okay, bro. Yeah, I think you need at least minimum 8 GB RAM or something, and a good GPU. I mean, graphics card. Here we have this volumetric cloud, and we change the color or something. A grip with Alcantara stream. GPU goes to 100%. Can you tell me your GPU name, bro? So guys, that's it. If you want to ask something, you can just comment. So next stream will be okay. It's Friday, right? You know what? Actually, this reminds me of these two games actually. This Call of Duty. vanguard, right? There is actually a mission with this snow environment, right? And one more game is like this. Yeah, Life is Strange. I use Blender. Blender is actually nice. I think I need to learn Blender also. And one more thing, you can actually blend this. See, you can see this edge right here. You can actually blend this road and this landscape. But I don't know how. Maybe you can create something with this material. Because I think it was. Maybe I need to open the material. This one, right? And there was something a node called, yeah, pixel depth offset, something like that. I no, I don't remember the name. There was something, I don't know. Do you use Blender? Sorry, do you have Blender? Think I have installed it. No, bro, no, I removed it. There is actually a node to blend these hard edges. I don't remember actually. You can see that, right? That LOD distance. So guys, I think that's it for today. Everyone, thanks for joining the stream. Thanks for support, and you guys can suggest a topic for our next tutorial. Can we see? Change the screen to a full one. Yes, and press G to disable all these icons. Okay, and if we change to cinematic to be like this. Okay, wait. So render it. We don't need to render, bro. It's actually this direction light actually in this movable mode. You don't need to render it. You don't need to render it actually. Or if you want, can just come here. Okay, where is it? Okay, it was somewhere here. Okay, it's in this menu build. If you're developing a game or something, you need to do this. Okay, border, like change the lighting quality to anything else except this preview mode. Okay, change to medium. It will take so much time. and just I need to see. Okay, just change the lighting quality and build the lighting only. Okay, you press this, will happen here. See exporting lighting data. And it will build this lighting. Okay, I don't think it's a good idea to build lighting when I'm streaming. Maybe should. Okay, it will go fast, I think. See, now it will show if you have any error in your project or our light maps. I think it's going fast. Can wait, right? Yes. Okay, then a window will pop up now. I'm trying to build a new simulator, but it's not. See, all these light map UVs are overlapping by 80, so 70%. You can see that. We need to manually adjust all these UVs to avoid all these errors. I'm gonna clear this and save it. Save all. Now the scene looks more reddish, right? This is actual final color. I'm gonna find this directional light. If I change the color, I think we need to rebuild the light, right? Or I don't know actually, but make sure you don't move this light position after you build whole lighting. Okay, we need to rebuild the lighting again. So I'm trying to build a new simulator, but it's hard, bro. Like I said, it won't be easy if you don't have a team or something to create and develop a game. Waste disposal for the NHS simulator. What do you mean by NHS, bro? I don't know. It's going to be unreal. So guys, again, Aaron, thanks for joining the stream. Thanks for support. Next stream will be on Monday. Okay, with a new topic. So if you want to suggest something, you can comment for our next tutorial. And thanks for the 74 likes. And if you want to ask, you can just comment. Do thanks. Okay. Thanks, bro. So guys, I'm gonna end the stream. Again, everyone, thanks for joining, and we will see you soon. Bye bye guys, take care.